How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add or create a new Google Analytics audience for your Google Analytics account. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Google Analytics account as an administrator. So once you guys are on the home page or your dashboard, here's what it looks like. You want to navigate to the left-hand side of your screen and keep scrolling down until you see the option that says Admin. You want to click on this, like so, and you'll be redirected to this page. And essentially what we're looking for here is the Properties tab. So it'd be this one right here. We're going to click on Properties, and then we're going to click on Property Details, like so. Oh, it's actually Data Display, my bad. So it's under Property Settings, and then Data Display, then Audiences. So from here, simply want to click on it, like so, and this page right here will show up. And from here, to simply create or add an analytics audience, simply click on New Audience. So here you get to fully configure what type of group that you're trying to create for your analytics account will be, and fully configure the settings and details and add them to a specific control group. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all very much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.